Good morning. I'm Gene Velasquez. I'm with a company called 1 Mile Up, and we make a software program called Panel Planner. It's a computer program to design instrument panels. We've been doing this for about 25 years, and our software is really meant for those people who want to show their customer what the panel is going to look like. Tolstoy had a beginning of his book. He said that every good marriage is the same in its goodness. Every bad marriage is bad in its badness. I think what he was trying to say is maybe something for us in the aviation business, that every panel that we want to start, everything that we want to work with can be very easy, can work so well sometimes. But when it goes bad, the things that can go bad are almost endless. The kind of problems that you can run into with the technology is pretty amazing. And what I'm hearing today is such great new technologies coming to the industry. It's actually mind-boggling just sitting here and listening to all the things that are coming through. New innovations, things like flying cars, technology like rotor aircraft and self-flying aircraft, EVs. All this technology, though, takes a problem. And part of that problem is actually making it happen. So with this new technology, how do you make it happen? Part of the problem is paperwork, getting approvals, getting the technology to be accepted. These kind of things can take years. As you probably all know, with the technology that you've seen, it's probably taken every one of those manufacturers years to be able to get through that process of making that happen. Like the Garmin system for self-landing aircraft. I mean, this kind of technology is just mind-boggling to what you now have available to you. But to get there, again, it's taken mountains of paperwork. It's taken years of implementation process. And it also takes a lot of manufacturing time and systems and training. All of that takes years to be able to, again, go from the ideas that are the different manufacturers displayed to you today to making them real. And then we have to actually do something with it. Here's an example of the kind of things the shops can contend with. Imagine trying to take 2023 technology and put it together with 1970 wiring. With Panel Planner, one of the things that we've been doing for our entire time of our existence is try to understand how better to give you a tool that will take things forward. With Panel Planner today, one of the new products that we'll be showing today is Harness Planner, of how you can take that whole wiring problem and harness it. The second thing we'll be showing at our booth today is things like carbon fiber design, doing text, being able to do it in silkscreen, carbon fiber wiring. All of that will be displayed not only at our booth, but we'd like to invite you to our training, which will be Tuesday and Wednesday at 8:30. But with that, I really would just like to thank all the shops here who are using our product, but also to invite you to come see what we're up to. We, again, have implemented things like powder coating in our new technology. Again, we have wiring as a potential solution for anybody who's facing that as a problem. And, as Tolstoy would say, this is a marriage of convenience. Thank you.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 66th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Orlando, Florida, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors: